Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yesterday where we stopped, what we discussed yesterday's session. Yesterday's session, what we discussed. Anyone?
We discussed where,
Ah,
const,
where
when,
constant differences. Okay. Next, the next one, what we discussed. Hmm? Where let constant we discussed. The next one.
The predefined variables, classes, functions.
Predefined variables, classes, functions. Hmm?
we discussed that
JSON, right?
case object, yeah.
JSON object, right? We discussed about JSON. So how to create a JSON object, how to insert the data, update the data, delete the data, retrieve the data. At the same time, we discussed about freeze method, seal method, prevent, extends method. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. So the next level topic is like very, very important. Just whenever, okay, and we discussed something about every data type. That means every data type, it's like a primitive or complex, whatever it may be, there has some corresponding classes or there or not. Whenever you create var a equals to 10, what is the type of a? It's a
Number.
Number.
number. It's not an object by default. When it is going to create an object with to this reference, when the object is assigned to this reference, whenever you use any one of the method with the dot notation, runtime only, internally it create an object for which class?
Number
Which
class.
class? It create an object for number class or not? This happened when not at the time of creating a variable. Whenever you use that variable or whenever you call some methods with that variable reference, just before they create an object and assign to this A and access the members of this particular class or not. Yes or no? So same like this, where name equals to ss, whenever you write name dot to lowercase or something, then that time it create an object for which class? Usually my
Class.
type of name is like what, string, it's not an object again. Now it create an object for which class? String class, and assign to which variable? To my name or not? Okay, my name is reference to my string class variable or not. By passing whatever the value is there, that value it's going to pass here. Why? Because we should not miss this value, right? Yes or no? Same thing for boolean also. Yes or no? Same for boolean also. Tell me if it is right like this, true. What is the type of this particular name? It's like a boolean or not? Whenever you, okay, call to string or some other members, just before that it is going to create an object for which class? It's going to create an object for which class? Come on. It's going to create an object for which class? Boolean class or
Boolean
not?
class.
Okay, but whenever you write something like this, now my type of ARR is what? Is what?
Object.
It's a direct object or not? But here, whenever you create an array, it create internally an object for which class?
Array class.
Array class. Whenever you have an array class object, can we access the members of that array class or not? Can we access the members of that array class or not? Yes or no? The same thing is for JSON also. Yes, no? where a equals to, where obj equals to something like this, my type of obj is what? Object of which class? Of which class? Object class.
Object class.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Color, okay? Okay then. Now, whenever you create an ARR, say here, whenever you create an ARR, we create vehicle, inspect it. Yeah, can I go to the console? Right. Where ARR equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Where ARR equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Whenever you write the type of ARR, what is the type? Whenever you write type of
Object.
ARR, what is the type? The type is like an object or not. The type is like an object. Yes or no? Now, it is an object of which class you said? ARR is an object of which class? Internally?
Array class.
Class. Now, you have a array class already predefined one. Can you create an object manually? How we can create an object manually? See, this is my array. Okay. Whenever you want to create an object manually to that array class, how we can create new array or not? New array. Now see, whenever you create an object for array class, the output is this one. Okay, or if you write directly like this, the output is this one only or not. If you write like this means directly you refer to what? Object itself or not? Yes or no? Can I say, can I understand like that? Whenever you create an object for array class, what is my output? What is my output? Tell me. What
Object
is
of
my
array
output?
class.
Okay, this curly, okay, this braces, right? Square brackets, yes, no? Whenever the statement executed, what is my output? The square bracket, right? So whenever you execute, whenever you enter square bracket, the output is what? Square bracket only, right? So it means whenever you represent like this, it is nothing but directly you represent an object of array class or not. Can I understand like that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now I want 1, 2, 3. So how we can write 1, comma 2, comma 3? See? Now if you want the same output using by creating an object of array class, how we can? New array. Can I say 1, comma 2, comma 3? Now see, whenever you pass 1, 2, 3, the same output you can get it or not. Whether you can create an object for array class and pass the array items as an argument, you can get the output. This is one way. Another way is like directly you can refer that object like this also or not. Both are giving like same output or not. Yes or no? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So how many ways we can create an array object? Array object, how many ways we can create? One is like this, you can create with elements. Another one is like directly that okay, value you can take like this or not. Directly we can refer the object like this or not. Come on.
Yes.
Up to here, any questions?
So in which cases do we use this new array or that
See,
square bracket?
most of the times we not go with this one, okay, externally create an object and all. Already, okay, whatever the result you have, that result you can represent or not, like this, by using this.
Mhm.
Yes or no? Then that which one is easy for us? The first one, this one or not?
Square brackets. Okay.
Okay. So finally, both are like pointing to array class objects. Array class object is there means I can call the members of the array class or not. How many members are there in the array class? How many members are there in the array class? Hmm? How many members? Direct members, do we have any? Any direct members?
No, direct.
All right. So how we can get okay the array class members? How we
Prototype.
can see the array class members by using prototype or not? Okay. Whenever you see like a prototype, these many members are there in the array class or not? Yes or no? These many members are there in the array class. So shall we go with the one by one? Okay. Okay, then let's go. Now I'm going to tell you some methods. Some methods you have to do from your end. Okay, but how to work with these methods, you should know first. Okay, that means if you don't know anything about the method, but how you can explore yourself, that is an important thing, right? Okay, okay, then very simple. Now this is my 1 2 3. Just you also don't know anything, I also don't know anything, both are like just explore, both are like just come to know something more about that member. Okay, that member name is like push. Okay, what is that member name?
Push.
Member name is like push. Now you don't know, me also don't know about that push, so how we can start? Okay, how we can start explore about the push? Okay,
Type
only
of
thing. Yeah, only one thing I know, my push is the member inside the array class. That is only I know. Now, if a push is the member in the array class means my class contains what? Variables or methods. So first you have to check my push is a variable or method. Yes or no? My push is like variable or method. So how we can come to know? Multiple ways are there. Now one way is like array dot, come on, array dot prototype. Array dot prototype. If you open this one, if you open this one, say there is a push. What is the type?
function.
It is a method. It's a method which is inside the class, right? That is one way. Another way is like you just write 1 3 5. This is an object of which class directly pointing to. This is pointing to, this is an object of which class? Array class.
Array class.
If it is like array class object, can I invoke the array class members? Now by seeing this one, what you can understand? By seeing this one, what you can understand?
Method.
Push is a method or not? First I can come to know like my push is the method. So any programming language, if you want to work with functions or methods, so two things you have to consider. Okay, multiple times I told to you, if you want to work with either methods or functions, you have to consider like two things. Okay, what are those? Simply what input they are going to take and what returns back to us. Yes or no? Come on. How many arguments, how many values, how many parameters it's going to take, you should know. And once it is taken, what it gives me back, what it returns me back, that one also you should know or not. Agreed? Huh? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that in JavaScript, okay, one thing is there, they not considered the arguments list. You know that one? Is JavaScript supports overloading? Is JavaScript supports overloading?
No.
No, right? Why no? They not consider the arguments list due
Arguments.
to okay, there is no type for the variables, they not differentiate or not. That the reason what happened, whenever you create like one function, okay, whenever you create like one function fn, okay, like this fn with some parameters a comma b comma c, whenever you call this particular one like this, no error. Whenever you call like this, no error. Whenever you call like this, also no error. Whenever you call something, whatever it is, not an error. Why? Because they not considered the arguments list or not. In Python, there has an errors they provide, but here in JavaScript, that is something different. Okay, there is no errors or not. Agreed? All are okay? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, you have to take advantage and you have to do something more analysis. Okay. So this is my array. My array dot push. Okay, it's a method. So that can I call it? Yes or no? First thing, can I call it? Whenever one statement I executed, whatever the value you can get it with less than symbol, that value can I say like what?
Return
Value
type.
can I say like what? Return value or not. By seeing this one, my array dot push return type is what? Come on. Push first one is like
Number.
method. Okay, return a number or
Number.
not. Yes or no? By seeing this one, you can say return a number. But what is the use of this one? If you call push method, did you find any difference in your actual array? Method functions for what purpose we are going to use to get some functionality, get some services, right? Because of this call, am I get anything? Am I get anything? Tell me. Am I get
No.
anything? No, right? Then two things you have to consider. One is like input parameters, another one is like return. Return, okay, it's a number. But input parameters, how many it is going to take? Do you know that? Do you know that how many it is going to take? I don't know, na. That's the reason. Can you try? Can you keep some values? Okay. After that, you can see. Did you find any changes? Something like that. Yes or no? Now array dot push of 10 comma 20. Okay. Just I added like one argument. Whenever I added like one argument, now it returns me a number only 4. Now my array something like changed or not? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one argument I passed. This time array dot push. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, just you can put like 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, now this is the one I passed. Now see my array dot push is like 8. Now my array is this one or not? Now by seeing this one, can you conclude one statement about the push? One.
Yes, sir. It returns the size of that array.
Yeah, push is the method inside which class?
Array
Array
class.
class.
Array class, which take how many arguments?
Any
Any.
Okay, any number of arguments. And return type is what? Push method.
Number
number.
type.
Number. What is that number?
Size of the array.
Yeah, size of the new array. What is the functionality?
It adds that to the end of the array.
It add, okay, whatever the arguments you passed, okay, in the last index of your original array or not. Yes or no? Like this, you have to explore yourself. Understood? Okay, write
Yes, sir.
something. Okay, it is a method. Take how many arguments? Take
Any.
any number of arguments, return a number. It is which type? It is like a new array length or not? Yes or no? Functionality is what? Place element. Okay, element or elements in the last index of your original array or not? Yes or no? About the push. Hmm? Okay.
Yes.
Okay then. Now the next one is like pop. Next one is like pop. Just can you explore now pop? Now this is my arena. This is my array. Let's go. Hmm.
ARR.pop.
Arr dot pop. What is the type?
Method.
Method. Perfect. In your hand, one method is there. What you can do?
Call it.
Call
Call.
it.
I called. I called. Okay. Now see this. What happened? What happened?
Returning the last element.
First,
Return,
removes.
return one element. Okay, that element is what? That is the last element of your array. Okay, if you want to prove array dot pop, okay, returns the last element of that array or not. And it returns that last element at the same time that element is removed from the original array or not.
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no? Got my point. Now, and one more thing, see how many arguments it is going to take. Array dot pop. Now see, are you find any arguments if you put the cursor on this? Are you find any argument suggestions? No. If
No.
you write like push the same way, if you put the cursor, see there has items, it is taking dot dot dot, it is nothing but a rest parameter, you can say. Okay, it can hold any number of arguments. In Python we can say like a variable length argument. Okay, we'll discuss this one. See, like this also you can find how many arguments it's going to take or not. Yes, no. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you come to pop now? Array dot pop is the method. Pop is the method which take no arguments, nothing. It returns me what? It returns me what?
Last element of the
What is
array.
the type? Return type is what?
Any.
Any. Why? Because here string na. Here what? Here what? Here string. Here what? Here it is like a number. I don't know. This is completely depending on your last element of your array or not. Yes or no? So that my return type is like an array, okay, any, and my return value is what? Return value. Last element of your array or not. Functionality is what? Which is used to remove the lost indexed
First element.
value, the lost indexed value or not. Agreed? Can you write something? Come on. It's a method inside which class?
Array class.
Array class. Take how many arguments?
0.
Or returns what?
Last element of
Return type is what? Any.
any.
Return value is what?
Last value.
Last
Index element.
last element of the array or not. Yeah, last indexed value or last element of the array. Yes. Okay, what is the functionality? Remove last element from an array. Yeah, na? Okay, na? Go to the pop. Yes or no? Now, pop push performing the operations on last elements only or not, last index only or not. In the last index they are adding or last index you removed. So just think about these two are like for last. I want for first index is nothing but 0 index. Then how we can? We have one method is there. Okay, what is the method? Can anyone know? Unshift. What is the method name? Can you spell out? Unshift. Okay, there has one more method is there. Shift. Pop work last index to remove. Shift works on first index or 0th index to remove. Push perform operations on the last index, whatever the values you passed, they added like a last index. Unshift, okay, it is going to add in the 0th index or not. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then the next one is like I have an array is there. Okay, in the array my given number is or my given element is there or not there. I want to check it. Okay, so how we can check? I have an array is this one. In the array 10 or 5 is there or not there? 5 is there or not there?
There.
So my output should be either yes. Okay, you should able to represent like yes there or not there. For that, okay, there has some previous predefined methods are there. One of the method called as includes. What is the method name? Includes. Can you tell something about the includes? Includes is which type? Includes
Method
is which? It's a method. If it is a method, can I do what?
call.
Call it. How many arguments are there? Can I put the cursor in the middle? Yes. How many arguments it is taking?
2.
Two arguments. My first argument is what?
Search
Search
element.
Second argument is what? From
from
index.
Index.
From index
index.
is having what? Question mark. Question mark is nothing but it's a option.
Only.
It's a optional. Understood? Yes or
Okay.
no? Okay. You are looking for which element? Search 5. 5 there or not there? 5 there
There.
or not there? Okay. The next one is like 55. There or not there?
Not there.
Yes.
Not there. Now 5, okay, from here. Second argument also added. Why it is coming like false? Why it
Because
is
it's
coming like
starting
false?
from fifth index.
Yes. You are looking for the 5 from which index? Third index. Third index means 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from here, from third index, you are looking for what? 5. There or not there? From
Not.
the third index, not there, right? Not there. Okay. Now, if you come here, okay, to from the second index, there or not there are 0, 1, 2. From the second index, if you see, 5 is there or not? Agreed?
Yes. So yesterday in the JSON
Yeah.
object, you were telling something like how we can find whether that element is there or not. Some
As one property. As one property.
has one property.
As one property that is inside the object class so that you can get it by using object class reference.
Okay, so
Okay, so by using includes, we can find whether the element is there or not there or not. Yes or no in the array.
yes.
So tell something about the includes now.
It's
Includes,
a method.
it's a method inside which class? Inside array class. Next, it's a method inside the array class. Take
Two
max
arguments.
arguments. If you pass more also, it's not considered. JavaScript not considered the arguments list. Returns what? Return type
True
Boolean,
or false.
Boolean or not. Return value either true or false. Okay, what it is going to do? What it is going to
So
do?
search
Okay,
that
check.
element.
Okay, the element is there or not there in the array. That's it, right? Agreed? Element is there or not there in this array.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions up to here? Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to write one more method. Just you only tell me what you observed. Okay. So this is my array. Array dot. Okay. Index of 5. Array dot. Okay. Index of. Okay. 3. Array dot. Index of 55. Array dot. Index of 5 comma 5. What is this?
It gives the index of the element that we are searching.
Yeah. It gives me the index of an element or not. If the second argument is not there, it is going to search for the element in the entire array or not. So whenever I search for the 5 index is what? Oh, 0, 1, 2.
Two.
Whenever I search for 3 index is 1. Whenever I search for 55, there are not there are
Not
Not
that.
there.
not there. So what it returns? Minus
-1.
1. Whenever you search for 5 from fifth index, there are not there are
Not there.
not there, so that minus 1, right? So
-1.
tell me, by using index of also we can do one thing. What is that? The element is there or not there. When I can say the element is there, when I can say the element is
Because
there,
any index other than -1.
if index is like not equals to -1, that element is there. If equals to -1, element is not there. Understood? Up to here, okay.
So index of 5 comma 2. What will be the answer?
5 comma 2. What is my fifth index? 5 index. It is like 2 only, right?
2. Oh, it's number only. Okay.
Yeah, index will never change.
Mm, okay.
Okay.
I thought it was true or false.
No, index of returns me a number. Index of returns me number. Includes returns
Boolean.
Yeah.
boolean. Okay. So that the index of method inside the array take to return type is what?
Number.
Number, right? Okay. -1 or 0 to yes or no. Okay. -1 means element is not there. 0 to 80 means element is there, that value is like what? Index of that particular element or not. Check element is there or not there. That is also fine. At the same time, find the element index or not. Find the element index. Na, everyone? So for how many methods you know? So for how many methods you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 methods, right? So 6 methods you know, right? So I need one simple example. Okay, I want to do one example here where my array equals to 10 comma 20 comma 1 comma 5 comma 10 comma okay 33 20 and 55. Okay, now my output equals to 10 comma 20 comma 1 comma 5 and 33 55. It means what? It means what? This is the input and this is the output.
No repetition.
Yeah, you removed the duplicate elements or not. So my question is, with these methods, 6 methods, with these methods, all methods not required. Okay, 2 methods are enough. With these methods, can you remove the duplicate elements from the array? Can you get this output? Hmm? Tell me how we can.
Yes.
Tell me the code. I'm going to write. Hmm? Hmm.
Get the elements, check that element with all the other elements.
Yeah.
If it is equal, then you can remove that.
Okay, I'm going to write a content. So first of all, this is our array. Yes, no? Yes. So first, all the elements are required or not? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
required.
All the elements are required. Then only, right? Okay, if the element, if I not get, that is secondary, that is duplicator, not duplicator. But first you have to get that element or not. If the element itself you're not getting, then what you can check whether it is duplicate or not. So I want to retrieve that data, means I want to retrieve every element from this array. How many ways we can do it? Just simply traditional way you can go for loop. Can I?
For loop.
Okay, for let I equals to 0, I less than array dot
Then
length I plus plus. Everyone knows this one, right? Yes or no? So here, what you have to do, console dot log of, every time you can get the index, so that you can get like array of 0 or I. Yes, you can get all the elements or not. This is one way. The next one is like for val inside an array. Okay, can I print console.log of val? Console.log of val, it returns me what? Indexes. So by using for in, okay, you can get the index. Once you get the index, now can I get my array of index? Yes or no? This is one way. The next one is like for off also there. For what is that? For off.
So
Will it?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
When we're using that in, like, it will be iterating through the array and it has to give the element, right? Why it is giving index?
No, there has two types of loops. For in is there, for off is there. For in, for off. In always gives me the index of an element, not value. Not value. For
Okay.
off always gives me value of the element. Got the
Okay.
point? Okay. Whenever you get the index, you can remember simply like this, in for index. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you use foreign with the array, it returns me index. Once you have an index, can I get the value? Okay, array of
Yes.
index, yes or no? But for of gives me what? For
Value.
of gives me what value or not. So these are the three ways. Any one of this one you can use. That is fine. Okay, done. So now this is the array, and I'm able to get the values now. What next?
Take the values like from first index and compare.
Which to whom you want me to compare? That is
Compare with the next value.
To the next value.
the next value. How? How? If you compare with the next value, comparison is happening, but the element has to remove. Okay, you should not
Take
change this array. This array should be same like this only. Okay, I'm not asking about just remove the elements from the original array. Get the new array.
this
So, can you do one thing? What is your output type? Tell me first. Output type is what?
array.
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 Can I take like one empty array? Yes or no? Now, in the array, how we can push the data?
Output dot push.
Output dot push. Which data? Val. You want me to push every value into output, or you want me to push the value which is not existed already?
Not
Not
exist.
Not existed, right? So that what you have to do, how you can check one value there or not there in the array?
Use
includes.
Yeah, includes or index of.
include
If output dot includes that val
value.
means there, then that time you want not there. When you want me to push,
Not there.
not there.
Not there.
So that, okay, can I put like not here? Yes or no? One. Now, if
Yes,
you
sir.
go to the output, now you can see something like this or not. Agreed?
Mm,
You removed the duplicate elements or not? Which elements are like duplicate? Tell me. Which elements are duplicate?
10,
Elements
25,
are like duplicate. Yeah.
10,
That
20.
duplicate also I want. Duplicates also I want. Now, two things I want. This is my array. Okay. Here, remove duplicates. Okay, after removing the array, duplicates also I want. Duplicates equals to this one. Then what change is required? Can I write like
Remove the
this?
not.
Okay, I removed not. Okay, this one for what?
Duplicates.
Duplicates, right? Okay, this one for duplicates or not? Yes or no? Okay, and this one push off what? Well, it's not remove the duplicates or not. Yes or no? So remove duplicates is this one. My duplicates are what? 10, 25 or not? Yes or no? Hmm? Are you okay? How many methods you used here in this case? How many methods you used? Simply two methods you used or not? Any questions? Hmm? Anyone have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So the next method is what? very important method. If you know that method syntax properly, okay, next 10 methods you can easily understand. Syntax never change. Okay na? Okay, if you know this method syntax properly, next 10 methods there is no change in the syntax. Okay, shall we? Okay, let's go then. Now first, for each. What is the method name? For each. Spend some more time. No problem. Understand properly. If you understand this method, next 10 methods easy for us. If you not understand this one, next 10 methods also you are not able to. So put some more effort. First, let's go. I want to explore this for each. First step, what you want me to do? First step, what you want me to do? Come on. For each is which type? How we can come to know for each is which type?
Type. No.
Dot for each. Whenever you get the output like f with some value, the value starts with a small, then the time that is like either method or a function. When I can say it's a method with the object reference, if you call, that is a method. Yes or no? My for each is the method. In your hand, one method is there. In your hand, one method is there. And what you can do?
Call.
You can call it. In your hand, one method is there, you can call it. Yes or no? You can call it. What next? Come on.
Arguments.
Okay, arguments. How many arguments? That is an important or not? And written value is what? That is also important or not? Yes or no? So simply, what is the written value? What is the written value? This is my array. First of all, my for each purpose is what, you know, to retrieve the elements from the array. It is equals to for, but for in, for of, it's like normal JavaScript. Okay, keyword for, in, for, of, JavaScript keywords, those are. But we have a special method is there in the array to retrieve the data from the array class or not. Array, retrieve the data from the array object or not class. So object this is now. So for each purpose is what? Retrieve the data or retrieve the elements from the array object. So for each returns me what? It is not written anything. At the same time, it gives me an error. Okay, by seeing this error, you should have to tell me what exactly the issue was. Come on. By seeing this error.
It's not
At
a
least
function.
read it.
It's not
At
a
least
function.
read it. Read it. Not a function. Whenever you see the not a function, it means what? What you can understand. What is running in your mind? Gayatri.
It's not a function, so
Means what? Explain. For example, in Python, is callable, is not callable. Then what do you think?
yeah, like sometimes when we're using it integer,
It
it's
expecting a function it got other than function.
It is expecting a function received other
Other
than
than
function
function.
value or not. Received which value here? Received which
Undefined.
value? Undefined. If you not pass any parameter, here only this statement only, here only you have to think, okay, where you can pass the data? This area only, right? So are you passing anything? Are you
no,
No.
passing anything? No, na. If you not pass anything, what is the default value? What is the
undefined.
default?
Undefined.
Undefined. If it is like undefined, okay, that's okay. They are using like what? Function. Is undefined is a function? Is
No.
undefined is a function? No. So that what error you can get it? What error you
We
can
have
get it? Undefined
concept.
is not
Not.
a function. Undefined is not a function. Error you can get it or not. Agreed? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can understand now my for each take how many arguments, it's not a matter for me at this moment, but first argument, but
Should be a
first
function.
argument should be a function or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The first argument should be a function. Okay, na? Done. Which kind of function that is? Named or anonymous? Did they mention is a
Anonymous.
named
Anonymous.
function? No, is not a named function, is not a anonymous function. Did they mention that? They mentioned what? Not a function, they said. That means it should be a function that can be any, right? Why you said like anonymous only? Yes
Next
or
line,
hmm?
because next line they were saying anonymous for each
Mhm.
anonymous.
Yeah, that's okay. This one, a red dot for each anonymous. Okay, but here this
Hmm.
error message you can see. Okay, most of the times anonymous we are going to pass. That's okay. But here, what is that one? Is that like a function only, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? So can you try with a function first, normal function for each? Can I write a function fn? Can I pass my fn? Yes or no? Come on. Okay,
Yes.
take some time, no problem. Now, can you tell me my for each is what? My fn is what? We have some terminology is there.
Callback.
My fn is what? Callback. My for
Callback,
each is what?
higher order.
Higher order or
Yes.
not? Higher order or not? Okay then. Now simply I given this function fn to whom? I
Each.
given
For
fn
each.
to whom? For
For
each.
each.
Okay, if I give a function to for each or some other person, what he will do with the function?
Call.
Call it, right? That is only the thing, right? Call it or not. Now, can you tell me, is it really called or not? Can you prove it? How we can prove to me? Is this fn called by for each or not? Prove it. If it is
You
called,
can,
how many times it's called also prove it. Tell me.
uh, you can put that console.log in that function, sir.
You want me to put like console.log here?
Yes.
Console.log of call. Whenever you write like this, okay, this fn, am I called anywhere directly like this? Am I called anywhere? This kind of syntax, did you see anywhere? No,
No,
right?
sir.
No.
Okay, I'm not calling. You given this function to whom? For each. This body executed means who called? I didn't. I given this one to for each.
For
So
each.
that, okay, me and for each only having this function. So I not call means for each only has to call or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no? So my question is, this is called or not called? First to check it. If it is called, how many times called? How
9
many times
times.
called? Yes, 9 times called. Why 9 times? Why
Array,
9 times? Come on. Why 9 times?
array length is
Oh,
9.
Array
array
length.
length.
That means array has how many elements? That many times it's called or not? Okay. Now, okay, I given one function to you. You called that function. Possibilities tell me you call the function by passing some parameters also or not. Possibility there or not there? Tell me. Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
You called some X person called okay, call it. But possibility is there. You may pass the data, you may not pass the data. Possibility there or not there? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now my question is Fn called by whom?
For
For each.
each.
For each. You not called. If you called, I know, okay, one argument passed, two argument passed, three argument passed. But this is called by whom? For each. But for each written by whom? JavaScript people. My while calling this fn by for each, he called, I already proved. He calling. While calling, how many arguments he is passing? That is my question. How you can come to know? Prove me. Hey man, this is one argument my for each passed to my fn, two arguments passed, 10 arguments passed, like that. Just prove it.
You can just put some sample number of arguments in that.
Okay, some random values you want me to put it up.
Yes.
Random references A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I put it. Next.
You can print them.
You want me to print it? Just let me print A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, C, comma, D, comma, E, comma, F. Okay, I printed. Next.
Now you can run and see.
Okay, okay. If I run, then how we can determine?
We can see like what values it is printing, that A, B, C, D, and up to which point it is returning and from when null it is giving.
Yeah, okay. Now you can let me run this, okay? Let me run this one. Whenever I run this one, now see, okay, called printed, A value printed, B value printed, C value printed, D, E, F not printed. So D, E, F undefined means they passed the value or not passed. Can I consider like
Not passed.
if they're not
Not
passed, what is the default value? Undefined or not?
undefined.
That the reason simply my for each call this fn. Okay, how many times? Okay, array length. How many elements are there? That many times it's going to call by passing how many parameters? Tell me. By
3
passing how many?
parameters.
3 parameters. What are those? Can you spell out? First parameter is what?
Value.
The element of the array
Element.
element.
Yeah.
The second value is what?
Index,
Index.
Index of that element. Third value is what? Your
array,
original
Original
array
array.
or not? Your original array. So DEF they passed or not passed?
Not
Not passed.
passed.
How we can say not passed the value? The value of the variable is undefined. I can say
Undefined.
there is no value passed or not. Yes or no? So can I write the first value is what? Element.
Value.
The second one is what? Index.
Index.
And my third one is like original array.
Array.
And this one, can I remove it? Now I want to retrieve the data. Nah? Can I print my element? Yes, no? Yes. Okay, nah? In this case, you used which function? Named function or not? There is no problem at all. But now, instead of named function, if it is like one-time operation only, then the time you want me to go with the normal function, anonymous.
anonymous.
Anonymous. So I want to make this one anonymous. What you have to do? Same thing. Okay. Okay, you can delete and you can paste here. Paste here. What you have to remove? Anonymous function. What you have to remove?
Function
Function
name.
name.
Name you can remove. Name you can remove. Yes or no? Name you can remove. Now, if you come here, okay, now see my for each opened, closed, and the brace is like missing or not. So, can I put it? Now, see, working or not? Agreed? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can tell something about the for each properly. Tell me, for each is a come on, for each
Method
is a method inside array class. Next.
takes 3
A,
3
arguments.
arguments.
no. For each,
It takes a
not
Take
function.
function.
It
Function.
takes a function.
take function. But
Function.
okay, see that array dot for each exactly take how many arguments? Can you see? The first one is like callback. The second one is what? Second one is what?
Argument.
This
Arguments.
or it's optional. I will explain this one at the time of call apply bind. For now hold it. So for each take how many arguments max?
2.
2
Two arguments or not? My first argument should be what? First
function.
argument
Function.
should be function or not? Okay, done. Next, that function, what you can say, callback function or not? Now my callback function called by for each how many times? Array dot length times or not? Yes or no?
Mm.
Yes or no? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
By passing how many arguments? By
3 are
passing three arguments or not. What are those? Element,
element,
index,
index.
original array or not? Yes or no?
Mm.
And returns me what? For each returns me what? For each returns me what?
Elements.
Whatever we give.
No. Returns me what?
It can be element, index, or original
No,
array.
no. For each returns me what? I already told to you. Whenever you executed the statement, okay, whatever the less than symbol with value, that is the return value or not. These all are like I printed, na. See this console.log. It is not like return values, right? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, okay. You don't know that one. My function call always gives me what? Return value of that particular function or not. Agreed? What is my val? What is my val?
Undefined.
Defined.
Undefined. That means is it written anything or not written?
Not written.
No.
Not written anything. So my for each it not written any value. This is the way you have to explore. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you don't know also, simply you can go to the, okay, where you want me to go? Simply you can go to,
Console.
you can go to console and explore or not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Shall we move to the next one? You only tell, okay? The problematic statement is what you know. I have an array. Okay, this is my array, for example. This is my array. Otherwise you can say the match score. Okay, my team scored, my team member scored this much. First guy 50, he hit 44. Okay, 0. Okay, 8 33. Okay, 98 89. Okay, 10 30. Okay, 55. Yeah, look at this is my 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now my question is like very simple straight question. Okay. Anyone hit half century in the
Yes.
team? Is anyone hit half century?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. That's it. My answer is like yes or no. That's it. Okay. You can say like yes. Anyone hit century?
No.
No.
No. Okay, is all members hit okay at least greater than 10 runs?
No.
No.
No, right? Okay, anyone is like duck out?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that kind of answers yes or no, I want. That's it. Okay, na? Understood my question?
Mm.
Understood
Yes.
my question? Okay.
Yes.
So first question is what? Anyone hit 50 runs? You said like yes. Okay. So programmatically, I am expecting that yes. Yes is nothing but what? In our terminal, in
True.
our true. Yes or no? Programmatically, I want true. The output should be. For that, can you write some code here? So minimum one element greater than, come on,
50.
minimum one element. Okay, one element greater than 50. That's okay, right? Enough, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so overall these many elements are there. Minimum one element satisfied my condition or not? I have to check it. What is my condition? What is my condition?
Greater than
Greater
50.
than
True.
50 is my condition. Greater than 50 is my condition. Tell me how we can.
For val of runs, val greater than 50.
How we can run?
For
runs dot for each,
Runs dot for each.
for
Okay.
each.
Mm.
Inside there will be a function.
Okay, callback function. Okay.
Function.
Callback function called by passing how many parameters?
3 parameters.
What are those? Element, index,
Index value.
original array.
Original array.
Okay. Next.
If element greater than 50, console dot true.
Element greater than 50.
50.
Okay, just you are going to put like console.log of true. This is the one. Okay, so 2 times you can get like true. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, you written. But I'm expecting like answer, not like yes, yes. I am expecting yes. That's it. Understood? Huh?
yeah, if the
Only one
condition
time.
is satisfied, you can break.
Okay, you said like you want me to break it. What is this? The break only works with the for. Okay, for keyword, whatever the loopings are there, flow controls on it's going to work. But here it's a illegal statement or not? Syntactically, yes or no? Agreed? Huh? So can I use break? All
But that
right.
for each is looping only, no? Sir?
Again?
For each is looping only, right?
No, it's not flow control related. It's a method inside the, okay, it is like iterate the values, but it's
Oh,
not like, okay, predefined or something, right?
okay.
Okay, that means it's not like outside, okay, directly flow control related, not right. So the break is the combination with what? For in, for off, and while. Okay, that is the combination. So it's
Okay.
like syntactical invalid. Okay. So don't go with for each. We have one method is there again. The method name is like sum. What is the method name? Sum. Okay, someone satisfied my condition. That's enough, right? Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay, what is my sum is which type? It's a
Method.
method. So can I call it? Yes. Take how many arguments my sum? If you click on enter, you can come to know what is this
It is expecting a function.
function. Perfect. So my
Exactly.
sum take how many arguments? So my sum take how many
Two.
arguments? Okay,
Two
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 arguments.
arguments. Okay, one is like what? By seeing this one, you can understand like
function.
function. So that can I
Function.
say like a function? Which function? Callback.
Callback.
You can say it's a kind of what? It's a kind of, come on, callback only now. Now
Callback.
this function called by passing how many parameters? I
3
don't.
parameters.
3.
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay. If you want to prove, just you can put like this: console.log of a comma b comma c comma d comma e comma f. Okay, na? F. Now, 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 if you observe here, my runs sum. Okay, it returns me what? It
Boolean
returns me
value.
what? It's a Boolean value. Am I written any condition here? There is no
No.
condition, nothing, right? It is not no condition, nothing. So first, can I write one condition here? Come on. Can I write one condition here? It's take like, can I put the debugger? Can I put the debugger? Now, first value is what? A. Second value is what? 0. Third value is what? This one. Fourth value
Right.
is what? Undefined only, right? Undefined only or not. So if you come down, my console message is going to print and it's go back or not. Yes, or like this, how many? Like this,
11 times.
11 times it's going to print. 11 times it's going to print. Now, if you go to the console, okay, now why it is not visible, you are like errors highlighted. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Okay, now can I click on the messages? How many are there? How many times it's called? How many times it's called?
Length of array.
Okay, length of array. But okay, you have to change that statement later. Okay. Now, can I write your condition now? The first one is what? Element. Okay, so how many times it's called? Okay, these many times it's called. Now, what is the return type of my sum by seeing this one?
Boolean.
Boolean. Perfect. Boolean. Now, write the condition. What is the condition? Can anyone guess? If
Element greater than 50.
element greater than 50, that is the condition or not? Okay, now this condition, whatever returns, whatever returns means what? It's returns me either true or false, right?
False.
That one, can you give it to my sum? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whenever you give it to the sum, my sum can understand like, yes, my condition is like satisfied. You can give the output to whom? Output to the end user or not. Now, whenever you click on enter, now how many times it's called? My callback. My callback called how
9
many times? 9 times.
9 times.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times called, right?
Yes.
Right.
Why 6 times called? These are my runs, right? Yes. Okay, 11 times supposed to be called. Okay, but how many times called? These are my
6 times.
runs. These are my runs. Why 6 times only called? Very simple. First one, satisfied condition. No. Second one?
No.
No. Third one? No. Fourth one? No. Fifth one. Sixth one, satisfied my condition. If
Right.
minimum one person greater than 50 or not, my answer I got it, right? Answer got it or not? Remaining you want me to check. If I check also, is my answer is like affected? Is my answer is going to
No.
change my final result?
No.
No. If it is not, then the time why I need. Just can you written that?
Yes.
Agreed. Color okay.
Yes.
Understood, right? The sum. So sum, tell me about the sum. Mean same like for each, but minimum one element satisfied or not. It is not like call the callback. Okay, array number of times. Okay, how many? Okay, how many times it's going to call till condition is like satisfied. Condition not satisfied. That's okay. That's okay. Now see the next one. Minimum one person hit century. Minimum one person. Anyone hit century? No, right?
No.
In this
No.
case, the output is like false. So you have to check everyone or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Now, how many times it's called the callback? My callback
All the
how many
values.
times?
All elements.
11
9.
times it's called.
11
11
times.
times it's called or not? Understood now? Okay. So minimum one element satisfied or not. If you want to check, then you can go with
Sum.
the sum. All the elements satisfied my condition or not, then you can go with what all the elements satisfied my condition or not. If you want to check, then you can go with can anyone? Every. What is that? Every. All these members hit the century. All members hit century. Minimum one person also not there. All members how? It's like false or not? Yes or no? Now runs equals to all the members greater than 0, hit greater than 0. All the members hit greater than 0 or not? Come on, tell me. Greater than
Yes.
0 or not? There is no
No.
duckouts. There is no
Okay.
duckouts. True or not?
True.
Agreed, everyone? Some and everyone.
Can you do 100, sir? Element greater than 100?
Okay, then that time what happened? Can anyone guess? Okay. all the elements, okay, how many times it is going to call? That is an important. Can anyone guess how many times it is going to call?
Should call all 11.
No. First one itself failed, right? Then no need to check remaining all, right?
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Each and every element, okay, greater than 100 or not, I'm asking.
Oh, each
Okay.
and every
First
element.
one itself failed means I can say like what? False only, na?
Okay.
Agreed.
Mm. Yes.
Sir, what is that 50, sir? Element?
No, just first element. We
Oh,
printed, we printed, na? Your runs, first one is what? 50, right?
50.
Understood? Hmm?
sir,
Got my
can
point?
you once show that debugger how we can use, like you're putting
Yeah,
debugger
yeah,
statement?
yeah, yeah. Now simply, so this is the function, na? So inside the
Yes, sir.
function, just you can put shift enter, put the keyword called as a debugger. Okay.
Okay.
Now whenever you click on enter, now the console entered, okay, you are in the console now. Now it is moving to the debugging mode within the source tab. Okay. Now
Okay.
why it is not means you disable the debugging here. See this. You disabled the debugging. Okay. Now can we activate it first? Activate it. Now I activated. Okay. Now
Okay.
go to the console. Now again run the same code. Now see, now the debugger activated or not.
Okay.
Whenever in your screen there has a mask with this particular text. Okay, what is this one? Can you read it? Passed
Pause.
in debugger. There has two buttons also there. If you see like this, simply you can understand like you are in the debugging mode.
Okay.
Okay, now you are in the debugging mode. Now line by line execution is required, right? So there is two buttons over there, right? Okay, one is
Okay.
like step over, another one is like resume the script. So most of the times this one debugger to another another debugger, if you want to jump, then you can go with this one. This one is like line by line execution. Okay.
Yes.
I will show you. See, this is line by line. So click on this. It comes to the third line or not.
Okay.
Yes or no. Now it is comes to this one. Element greater than 100. Okay, now, okay, if it is satisfied or not satisfied, it's going to execute. If it is okay, then that time it is come out. If you want to, okay, come out completely, then you can go click on the first button.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Now the next one. Okay. Now, my question is like, how many members hit greater than 40 runs? How many members hit greater than 40 runs? 1, 2,
Members.
3, 4 members, right? So, greater than 40, okay, how many players hit those runs I want first? Okay, that means I needed like what? My output 50, 40, 89, 55. Once you have that list, you can find the length. Then the time you can get the number of players or not. Yes, no.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
tell me how it. Come on, how it can.
We can use that filter method, sir.
You can use.
Filter method.
Yeah, we have same runs dot filter. Yes, this is the method. Can I call it? Yes. Now again undefined is not a, come on, again undefined is not a function. So that it's take like which one as an argument? Your
Function.
callback function as an argument. This callback function called by passing how many parameters? Same element
Three.
index original array. Now what you want me to do? The element which is greater than 40,
Yeah.
those only you can return it. Now see, are you able to? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, what is the return type of my filter? What is the
Array.
return type of my filter? An array.
Array.
The return type of my filter is like what? An array or not? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now you got some idea. Okay, I'm going to share you the video with which contains all the functions, okay, all the methods. So just you can go through that one. Okay, we'll discuss whenever it required again. Up to here, okay, everyone, the syntax and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to discuss one important method, okay, for us, okay, in React, that is map method. That is map method. Okay, now how it is going to work, the map methods. For example, I have student marks. I have a student marks. Okay, the student marks. Okay, one person get like students marks. One person get like 70, 75, okay, 88, 66, 55, something like this. For example, think whenever you get any question out of the syllabus, everyone gets some bonus marks, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sometime, okay, in the past, we
Yes,
saw
sir.
this kind of situations, right? So, for example, there has one 3 marks question came out of syllabus, so that they decided to add 3 marks for each and every person. Okay, so if you add 3 marks for everyone, can you tell me what is my output? 73,
33, 78,
78,
81,
91, 69, and 58 or not?
58.
And 58, yes or no? So that is my final output. Okay, so how we can proceed with this? It means you are performing the same operation on every element. What is my operation?
Add 3.
Okay, come on, you add 3 or not? You add plus 3, plus 3 or not? So my std student marks dot map is the method. Okay, map is a method. Can I call it? Yes. See, what is that? Same story, na? Which take one callback function as a parameter. Okay, my callback function called by passing how many? Called by passing how many parameters?
Three.
Three
3 parameters,
3.
right? 3 parameters or not? By seeing this one, see, my map returns me what? Map returns me what? See this.
An array.
Array.
An array.
Array.
Of how many elements?
5 elements.
Why 5? Why not 4 or 6? My
Because student
original
marks.
array has these many. Okay, my original array has these many elements or not? Exactly those many members only it is going to return. Why undefined? Okay, we'll see. Now return 1. Return 1. Okay, now it returns me what? 1.
Wait. Oh,
Return, okay, this one. Now what you can understand, my map returns me an array of okay, array length elements. My each and every element value is the return value of your callback or not? Yes or no?
yes.
If you comment this one, what is my callback return value? Undefined.
Indefinite.
Now it is like 111 or something or not. Yes or no? Great.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you want me to return 111 or something like this, or okay, you want me to return the element for every
Plus 3.
element. You want me to add what? plus 3 or not? Yes or no? Got my point? Okay, this is one case. Okay, it is not like for all the elements you have to add 3. Okay, but simply my map returns me one array of array length elements. Each element is like what? My callback function return value or not? Can I understand like that?
Yes,
Each
sir.
element is like what? My callback function return value or not? Come on. Are okay? So for good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so why we go for map? Most of the times, if you perform the same operation on every element, okay, if you want to perform some operation on every element, okay, if you want to return it back, that operation result, most of the times you can go with what? Map method or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Okay, then I'm going to share you this video, okay, array methods video, just you can walk through that. Same like this, we have strings also, na? Yes or no?
Yes,
Same
sir.
like this, we have strings also or not. Where name equals to Sachin if you add. Where name equals to Sachin if you add. Tell me about this one. At this moment, my name type is what? Name type is what? String only.
Doing
But when it becomes like an object, when the object is going to assign to my name, whenever you call any string
method.
class member or not, name dot, okay, name dot index of, okay, for example, a. Now it my name is an object of which class now? Okay, whenever you execute this statement, my name is becomes like what? The name is assigned with what? My name is assigned with what? Object of string class or not? So if you have an object of string class, can I call my index of? Now see, my string class, first of all, how many members are there? You can check it. See. So some of the methods are common for both. Now see here, there has index of there or not there? Index of there or not there? Come on, tell me.
There.
If you want to create an object for string class manually, so can I create like this? Yes or no? With some data, okay, something like this or not? It is an object of which class? You are creating an object of which class?
String
String
class.
class or not? A string class or not? Whenever you created an object for string class, can I hold this one? Val. Can I hold with var var? Now, what is my val? It is an object of string class or not? Whenever you have an object of string class, can I access the members of a class or not? This is one way. Yes or no? This is one way. Okay. Another way is what? Directly you can create what? Directly you can create what? A string. Internally, that conversion who will take care whenever you call index of? JavaScript people will take care. Okay, and we can call, okay, this particular string class methods. Okay, if it is like a normal type is like a string, how we can call this particular method? How we can call this particular method? It's not possible, right? But it's possible means internally my name is acting like what? A string class object or not? But by default, is it like a string class object? Huh? By default, my name equals to ss. Okay, my type of name, is it like string class object? Is it showing like an object? No, right? But internal conversion is happened when if you access the members of a string class or not. Agreed? Come on.
But you said like when we are using that reference, we can assume in our mind like you're creating object for that class.
Which one?
Say we are giving that name equal to SS. So you said
Okay.
in your mind you can assume name like object of string
Yeah,
class.
in your mind, just assume why, because we are calling like index of or something, right? Now, in your mind, what you have to assume, this is an object of which class, trigger class, right?
String
But by
class.
default, it's like not an object. But when it is becomes like an object, whenever you consume the members or not, this is the one.
Okay.
Okay. Agreed. Okay. Okay then. The index of in the string class. Tell my name equals to where my name equals to such. My name dot index of a. What is the answer? 1. Now a there or not there? There or not there?
Not there.
Not there. -1. Same like this. H there or not there? There.
There.
I there. HI is there or not there? Same HI in the sequence there. So 0, 1, 2, 3 is my output. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Up here, okay?
Yes, sir.
My name dot includes of a. Name dot includes of, okay, B. Name dot includes of hi. See? Same like this. If it is there, it returns me true. If it is not there, it returns me what? False only or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now name is this one. Okay, name dot to, okay, uppercase. For example, if you want name dot, okay, to lowercase. Okay, local lowercase and lowercase also there. Lowercase. Yes or no? Okay, like this, just try from your end. All these methods we can discuss in the next session. Okay.
Okay,
And I
sir.
will share you the video also, string methods video and the array methods video. Just you can walk through it. Okay.
Sir, like after today class, like whatever videos we have, can you share, sir? Like I missed some classes.
Yeah. All the class videos I shared. That is a playlist only, JavaScript. Okay, just you can open in the browser so that you can see all the videos.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's a playlist. Okay. Okay, today's and yesterday's session video and the previous all array methods, all string methods videos. 4 videos I'm going to share today. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for joining.
Thanks.